Florida, Putnam County in northeastern Florida, Southern Clay County in northeastern Florida until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from St. Augustine to near Lake Geneva, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour.